Warm welcome to Career Aadhaar. This is Advocate TOUFIK TAMBOLI. In this video, I will discuss here new Criminal Major Act was introduced in the Parliament of India. What are the amendment in that act, and or in the changes are took place in the new laws. So now the structure of the new laws in the comparison to the old legislation will be changed and amended are as follows. There are three acts are there. A major act is there. First one is Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023. Second one is Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, and third one is Bharatiya Sakshya Bill 2023. So we will discuss one by one. First, Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 means Indian Penal Code. In that Sanhita, the provisions relating to the offences and their punishment are the prescribed in the particular section, and we all know that there are 511 sections are there in the old IPC, but in the new IPC or new Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita there are 356 sections are there. Then we will discuss second, that is Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023. The law means the law relating to the Criminal Procedure Code. In that code, in the old CrPC, there are 484 sections are there, but in the new CrPC there are 533 sections are there. So this change is changed in there. And then we will discuss third, what is Bharatiya Sakshya Bill 2023 means Indian Evidence Act. In that act is a general rule and principle of evidence for fair trial. In that act we use that evidence act for the civil proceeding also, or in the criminal proceeding also. So in the old evidence act there are 167 sections are there, and then but in the new evidence act there are 170 sections are there. That is the changes is there. In this way the new legislation is a legislation amended, and new things are there, are included in that Sanhita or in that law. So if you like our content, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.